Dear students, welcome to today's SST class. Today we are going to discuss about desert regions. Our two-thirds of the Earth's surface is covered with water by the oceans. The remaining one-third of the Earth's surface is exposed as dry land for us to live on, and one-third of that dry land is really dry and comes under desert. So this is what we are going to learn about. So let's see what is a desert. A desert is actually a piece of land, no matter hot or cold, that has small amount of precipitation throughout the year. It usually gets less than 25 centimeters rainfall a year. Deserts are formed by natural and man-made actions. Among the natural forces are constant wind and water, which erode topsoil, and long-term drought conditions. So, among the natural forces, mainly wind and water are the main cause. Now, the list of human actions include overgrazing, strip mining, depletion of groundwater, and deforestation. There are mainly four kinds of deserts, namely hot deserts, cold deserts, semi-arid deserts, and coastal deserts. So dear students, in this chapter particularly we are going to learn about hot deserts. Hot deserts are located on both sides of the equator about 15 to 30 degrees near the Tropic of Cancer in northern hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. They are also called tropical deserts. Some of the hot deserts of the world are Sahara Desert, Arabian Desert, Great Australian Desert, Kalahari Desert, Chihuahuan Desert, etc. Now let's see what kind of climate is found in hot desert. As the term suggests, the climate of a hot desert is of extreme type, extremely hot and dry with cold nights. The maximum temperature of the hot desert is about 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. During the colder periods, temperature can drop to freezing point. And the rainfall is very little for short period, that too between long rainless periods. Now let's learn about natural vegetation. Very few plants grow in hot desert. These plants have evolved ways to withstand the extreme climate. Desert plants usually have small leaves. And in the desert, particularly, we find cacti, acacia, and very many small shrubs. Now let's learn about animal life. Deserts are inhabited by insects, spiders, scorpions, and mammals. Many have developed specific body processes to adopt harsh environment. And one of the peculiar feature of desert animals is they are active only in night. Most useful animal found here is camel, and it is known as the sheep of the desert. Echidna is found in Australian desert. Adags, antelopes, and sandcats are common in Sahara desert. And now finally let's see about human life in hot desert. Deserts are much less densely populated than other regions. So it is very less populated area. People live and grow crops only at places called oases. The crops grown are mainly rice, millet, maize, barley, beans, and lentil. There are palm groves in oases also, and besides farming, other occupations are animal rearing, trading, and mining. Majority of people are nomads, those who move from one place to another, such as the Bedouins of North America and Arabia, Bushmen of Kalahari, the Aborigines of Australia, and the Tuaregs of Western Sahara. So dear students, in this way we have completed this chapter. I request every one of you to go through this video once again and learn the lesson. Thank you.